Servus car enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Austrian Car Guy. Today's episode takes us deep into the garage, where hands-on passion meets the legends who inspired this journey. But before we jump in, let's tip our hats to Chris Fix, Roadkill's David Freiberger, Mike Finnegan, Roadkill Garages and Engine Masters co-host Steve Dulcich, and the incomparable Derek Beery from Vice Grip Garage. Let's roll. There's something magical about classic cars. The curves, the grumble of the engine, the stories they carry. For me, it's all about the passion. And this Seville right here, he's the heart of the story as I outlined in this video right here. What I haven't told you yet is that for whatever reason, the Seville is a he-him. Although a lot of car enthusiasts refer to the cars as she-her. He's not just a car, he's a piece of automotive history. We'll explore what makes him special, the quirks and features, and the nostalgia that comes with every ride in a lot of planned future videos. But this episode is all about passion and the legends who fuel my enthusiasm with their wisdom. Credit where it's due. Chris Fix, your DIY wisdom has been the backbone of many garage adventures. As I got my Seville back in 2014, every one of your perfectly done videos helped me step by step to get my car in better shape. And to David Freiberger, Mike Finnegan and Steve Dulcich, the Roadkill crew, your unfiltered passion for all things automotive is contagious. Every detail you share is absorbed like a sponge. David's mantra, "Don't get it right, just get it running," is my key to action. I tend to overthink a lot and want to get things perfectly, but in the end, I wouldn't get things done at all, because of that. And of course, a shout out to Derek Beery of Vice Grip Garage. Your one-of-a-kind approach has been a guiding light as a professional filmmaker. Your influence reshaped my perspective on video creation. Your videos taught me that no matter how good a video is, it's the story and the character that makes any video good. Your family dynamics stand out, adding depth to your content. These folks shaped my perspective and fuel my love for cars still. I can't thank you enough, even if this never reaches you. You guys are my heroes. I didn't mention any women as mentors in my earlier discussion. The reason behind this is that I discovered and began to appreciate female ranchers much later in my journey. And it's crucial to acknowledge their significant contributions to the automotive world. There are several remarkable women in this community whose content I now follow avidly. Some notable mentions include Emily and her husband Aaron Reeves of Flying Sparks Garage, the talented hosts of All Girls Garage, Sarah Latiner, Christy Lee, Faye Haley, and the late Jessica Combs, whose passing in 2019 was genuinely shocking to me. I also want to highlight Liv Scafidi of Gnarly Speed Shop, among many others. These women have not only showcased their incredible skills, but have also played a pivotal role in breaking gender barriers in the automotive industry. But this journey isn't just about me and my mentors, it's about us, the car community. And as I said in one of my more recent videos, a huge thank you again for all your support. I hope to someone I can be nearly as an influence as one of these human beings are to me. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What host fuels your passion? Any Seville enthusiasts out there? Let's chat, share stories, and keep this conversation rolling. As we wrap up today's episode, remember, it's not just about the cars, it's about the stories we create and the connections we build. Thanks for riding along with that Austrian Car Guy. Don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the notification bell for more automotive adventures. Until next time, drive safe and take care, my friends. Tschüss!